Today, let's talk about what it takes to connect Edge to a Modbus device. So I've got this Modbus device. It's got a couple of data tags on it, and I want to read those data tags and pull them into Edge. How hard is that? We're going to use the Edge Explorer utility that comes with Edge. We're going to be in the Collect tab. We're going to pop this up and say new Modbus input. And then it just takes you through a series of dialogues and you just fill it out. So we'll give it a name. And then it's a Modbus input, obviously. I'm not going to use a transform yet, so we'll hit next. We'll give it the IP. Port's going to be the standard 502. I'm going to name it something really clever. And then there's the retention period in here and how often we want to collect data. We're just going to leave those as they are for now. Click next. Now here's where I enter the tags, the actual information that I want to read. So and most of this is, specific to Modbus. It's just the information Modbus needs to understand what data I want to pull. But there's also this property path here, and that's something that we've added. It allows me to give a JSON property, and I can also include a path, and we'll show here in a minute how that allows it to automatically and continuously turn the data that I'm reading into JSON object. So we'll enter a few tags here. Okay, that's the 3 tags I'm going to read from this device. I can have as many here as I want. I'll click next. And then here I could add some static information, that would give it context. Like, for instance, where's this sensor located? What kind of a sensor is it? That kind of stuff. But I won't do that for now. Click finish. That's it. That's all it takes. The Edge product now is going out there and talking to that Modbus device in its, native binary Modbus protocol and pulling the data. So let's have a peek at that. We'll click to the store tab. We'll refresh that. There's that Modbus test that I named it. And look, we have 2 records already. So we can click on one of these. And there's that JSON object. And it created it, well, through a timestamp in here. Everything needs to be timestamped because you need to know when things happen. But then everything else, it took the reading, took the value, and associated it with the property that I gave it. So it can create this JSON object automatically and all the time. That's it.